This week's episode of Mnakwethu broke so many South African hearts after seeing how the first wife, Mastole, is suffering financially and emotionally. Mr. Langa wrote to Mnakwethu seeking help that he wants to take a second wife, but he secretly paid lobola to the second wife without the first wife knowing. This is what our uncles are doing behind our backs. So the second wife is currently pregnant and lives with Mr. Langa in Gauteng. She also uttered words such as, if they're going to ask for permission to the first wife, it has nothing to do with her. They're asking permission on behalf of Mr. Langa, not her. She does not need anybody's permission. These are the words of the second wife. The first wife lives in the rural areas where Mr. Langa's parents reside, and she keeps on having miscarriages, and she is currently unemployed as we speak. So what irritated a lot of people or a lot of South Africans was that she was not informed in the first place that Mr. Langa is taking or took a second wife, because already Mr. Langa paid lobola to the second wife. Secondly, Mr. Langa impregnated the second wife. And thirdly, Mr. Langa goes months and weeks without checking upon the first wife. He neglects the first wife. So this is what they do to you when you are vulnerable and you have nothing going on for yourself. Ladies, by all means, please find a way to be independent, because cheating as well is just emotional abuse. Anyway, till I see you again, thank you for watching. Bye bye.